Just wanted to make a quick video. I just received my new Sliding Susan from Top Drawer, and I read the directions already. I bought a 3-tier wine rack to install into my new cupboards. So I wanted to show everybody that I got the directions. I kind of went through them already. They're really cut and dry. It's not that hard to install it. It comes with the screws. So all I need to do is have my drill, my number 2 Phillips bit, and then I already cleared my cupboard out, so everything's cleared. And then I have my little light down here so I can see, and I just want to let everybody know how easy it is. And again, it's a Sliding Susan from Top Drawer. If anybody's interested, go online, topdrawer.com, and you can get yourself one. They have all kinds of new Sliding Susans. It's a really neat company to go and look at. They've got a lot of neat features and new drawer sliding stuff, so everybody go and check it out. I'm going to get on with this and show you how easy it is to unpack it and get everything rolling in here. Those. Okay, don't mind the phone ringing. Okay, so what we need to do first is we have to take out all the drawers. So how to do that, you got to slide them all the way out. And there's 2 little levers right here on the side. They're like one goes up and then one little lever goes down. And then you just pull one up and one down and you just slide it the rest of the way out. And slide those back in and you go to the next one. One goes up. Left one goes up, right one goes down. Push those back in. Pull this one out. Left one goes up, right one goes down. Sorry, let me get a little room here. Okay. Now what's nice about this, it already has the pre-drilled holes in it for you, so it's already set. All you got to do is stick it in your cabinet. This. Scoot the camera over here so everybody can see what I got going on. Okay. So then what I'm going to do is on mine, I'm just going to center it up, and you want to make sure it comes to the front of your cabinet. So it's kind of level with the front of your cabinet right here. So then I'm going to center it up just a little bit more here. Looks good. Like that. And then you take your screws, your bit. And I'm going to start in the back. You just kind of got to angle it just a tiny bit. There's one. And there's 2. And there we have it. So now your base is all set in where it needs to be. It's all in, it's a back, it's even up here. So then now what you want to do, the trick to this is, you want to start from the top and work your way down. So let's rearrange my drawers here. And it goes in these little slider things. You got to make sure the little black areas match up with the rails. So you just want to match your rails up. And you'll slide right in. Just like that. Number one. Number two, make sure you go inside the little black plastic little rail holder, the alignment. There you go. Number two. And the black little rail plastic thing. And number three. Light out of here. We'll leave it for now. Okay. That closes. Thank you very much. Again, Top Drawer. Go to their website, the new Sliding Susans. They have a whole different kind of setup, so go check them out. Thank you.